Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and in this tutorial we will learn how can we assign a function to a variable to change the name of the original function. In Python you can assign a variable to a function to change its name, and when you call the function you can call the function based on the new name you assign it. This is a very quick tutorial. We will start by defining, for example, a function for the first name, okay, and we will pass to this function an argument called name, and I want to return. We can return a print, okay, or we can use a print directly. So I want to say hello for the name. Okay, and here I want to pass the first name. So when we recall the function, okay, I will pass inside this function my name, which should be string and contain my first name. There is no limitation or rule that will prohibit me to insert even my full name, but I want to insert my first name, and I want to execute this line of code, and I will see here in the running terminal that I have hello and my name is associated. Okay, now what if I recall the function without using parentheses? Okay, so like this, I use, for example, first name, and without parentheses. When I execute the program, I will see nothing will change, because here we recall the memory address, not the function itself, but we recall the memory address of the function. So remember that when you recall a function without parentheses, this is like copy the memory address of that function. So when we print this function but without parentheses, we will notice here where the memory address, which is the address that comes from the memory where the a function is located right now. Okay, that means I can point to this address, okay, another variable. For example, I can say like this: name, okay, which is a new variable, equal to the first name, but this is the same function name but without parentheses. If I use this syntax, then I assign this memory address, okay, to this variable. Okay, that will not affect the main function, but we have a new variable that will point to the same memory address. And if I recall the function with the new variable that point to the same memory address, then the program will be executed also. So when I say fname, then I send inside the fname Mohammed, okay, then it will be executed directly. Okay, so here is the original name of the function, which is the first name. I assign this function to a new variable. I assign the same memory address to a new variable, and I recall the function based on the new variable. So I change the name of the original function, or I assign a new name for the function. Okay, and by this way you can customize a new function when you recall it. For example, some functions contain some long names or identifier, for example, first names of the for example, candidate, okay, candidate. Instead of using whole long name, I just say fname, and it will execute it directly. And another example, just to increase the awareness of the attendees of this tutorial, we can use another, for example, another example related to the built-in functions. For example, I use this print. Okay, I want to print hello world. Okay, so if you want to change a print, you want to assign another variable, okay, than the original print, okay, you can, for example, identify a new variable, for example, show or view, view equal print, okay, but consider here you have to remove the parentheses, otherwise you will have like function recalling inside this view. So if I want to say view hello, okay, let us hide this. What we will see then, a view itself, okay, when we recall the function, then it will print directly. But if I want to print a view, then a view, sorry, I don't need to debug. So a view itself will return none to me because already we have a print of the word hello. So print of a print will return none. So to change the name of the original print, okay, you can remove the parentheses and the content and use a view as a new print statement. Okay, so I want to show a view of hello. So now the variable, the function print has been renamed to view because here we give the same memory address of a print to view, so I can use view. Okay, if I want to use another version, for example, show equal print like this, then I can use show to a print instead of using the original print. Okay, show, for example, hello Muhammad. Then we will have now a new print based on show, not the original print. By this way, we can exchange any name of any function, even if we design the function or it comes with Python in like a built-in form, and we can recall the function directly as we need. That's a quick tutorial to show you how can we assign the function to a new variable. But remember here, the assignment here will come without any parentheses. Otherwise, it will call recalling the function, okay, or invoking the function. Thank you, and please share this video for others who want to learn for free.